Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Fox coming to you live from Options XO headquarters in London, UK. It is at the bottom of the hour, 11:30 a.m. GMT, and let's go over today's daily market update. So today we have a number of announcements that occurred already. A few retail sales and unemployment changes here on the euro side. We also have construction PMI for the pound. There's going to be a speech later on, or actually a speech should have happened or has happened already with the Governor Carney from for the British pound side. We also have later on Federal Reserve Chairwoman Janet Yellen's going to be speaking. Let's see what she's going to be talking about. Most likely the status of the economy right now and inflation of whether to raise interest rates. It looks like she's about to speak about bank regulation at the Citizens Budget Committee annual awards dinner in New York. You can click on the Federal Reserve latest release here, and that'll open up a tab here so you can read more about what's entailed in the speech. You can also see we have a lot of other announcements, looks like some service indexes here, as well as other optimism announcements. So we have a lot of growth statistics today. We also have some major stories that came out. Looks like Alibaba is being threatened by Taiwan with regulations to leave within 6 months. So we're going to take probably Alibaba down for the rest of the day. Stock's going to not respond very good to that. We also have President Draghi talking about what possible outlooks for the negotiations between Greece and the EU, as well as their improving conditions for the economy. You can read more about that here on Bloomberg. We're also seeing the dollar being very much in a bull market right now, but we see that Janet Yellen is having a bit of a misinterpretation of the economy, and that's why she's withholding from raising interest rates yet. So you can read more about that there. We also have major nuclear talks between Iran and the United States. We have also major speech happening at some point today from Benjamin Netanyahu, who is the prime minister of Israel, and he is going to be speaking to Congress some point today about his opinion on the continuation of these talks, what's going to result out of this, and how Israel will be threatened if a nuclear deal was to be concluded. So we also have a lot of major geopolitical events happening today. If we take a look at some of the charts, we notice that most markets are up. However, we can probably expect tomorrow, if depending on these talks as well as the speech, we could see markets go down. That's what we're expecting. Looks like the DAX took a pretty big hit for the past 30 minutes. It's dropping down below 11,400. We also see the FTSE up at 6,939. The CAC 40 at 4,915, and also S&P doing well here at 5,000. You can also check more information about technical analysis by going to investing.com, as well as other sites like babypips.com, Investopedia. I find most of these sites to be pretty solid for their technical analysis. You can just click on the asset as such, and you can go under technical, and they will outline everything they talk about, all the different types of indicators that are used to comprise a summary of a trade like such. So you have to pay attention to everything that they include. That's today's daily market update. I'm your host, Ryan Fox, from Options XO headquarters in the UK. Have a great day, everyone, and happy trading.